DJI's new Lito series simplifies aerial photography. The DJI Lito 1 and Lito X1 both weigh under 249 grams and feature intelligent flight capabilities, promising professional-looking footage without extensive experience. While they share many similarities, there's a price difference, with the Lito X1 positioned as the premium option. This video will analyze camera quality, video features, obstacle avoidance, storage, flight performance, and overall value to determine which drone is worth your investment. Both drones share a compact folding design and weigh under 249 grams, making them easy to transport and subject to fewer regulations. Their lightweight build is perfect for travel and everyday content creation, fitting easily into small bags and ready to fly in minutes. They offer a similar flying experience with DJI's intelligent flight systems, automatic return to home, subject tracking, and beginner-friendly controls. If portability and design matter most, neither drone stands out significantly. The biggest difference between these two drones is the camera. The DJI Lito 1 uses a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, while the DJI Lito X1 upgrades to a significantly larger one by 1.3-inch CMOS sensor. The increase in sensor size significantly enhances image quality by capturing more light, improving low light performance, reducing noise, and increasing dynamic range. This gives the Lito X1 an edge in challenging lighting conditions like sunrise, sunset, or high-contrast scenes. The X1 also uses a wider 24mm equivalent lens with an f1.7 aperture, while the Lito 1 uses a 26.2mm equivalent lens with an f1.8 aperture. In practical terms, the X1 delivers brighter images and captures a slightly wider field of view. For casual users posting to social media, the difference may not always be obvious. However, creators who regularly edit footage or shoot in challenging conditions will notice the benefits of the larger sensor. Both drones can capture 48-megapixel photos and support JPEG and DNG RAW formats. That means photographers can edit files extensively in software such as Lightroom and recover more detail from highlights and shadows. While the resolution figures appear identical, the larger sensor in the X1 generally produces cleaner files with better color accuracy and improved dynamic range. Landscape photographers, travel creators, and anyone who enjoys editing photos will likely appreciate the additional image quality available from the X1. The Lito 1 still produces excellent images for its price category, but the X1 provides more room for creative editing. Video recording is where the differences become much more noticeable. Both drones can record 4K video at up to 60 frames per second and support slow motion recording up to 100 frames per second. Both also support native vertical video recording, making them suitable for TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and other vertical platforms. However, the Lito X1 introduces several advanced features that serious creators will appreciate. First, it supports HDR video recording. HDR allows the drone to capture a wider range between bright and dark areas within a scene. This produces footage with better highlight retention and improved shadow detail. Second, the X1 supports 10-bit color recording and D-Log M. The Lito X1 offers flexibility for users wanting attractive, ready-to-share footage, while the X1 is ideal for creators focused on detailed color grading and post-production. If you upload videos to social media, the Lito X1 suffices. For YouTube or commercial work, the X1 is the better option. DJI has prioritized safety in the Lito series, featuring omnidirectional vision sensing systems for obstacle detection and smart flight functions. The Lito X1 enhances this with a front-facing LiDAR sensor, improving obstacle detection in low-light conditions where regular sensors struggle. This makes flying near obstacles safer, especially during challenging times like sunrise, sunset, or cloudy weather. While seasoned pilots may not rely on obstacle avoidance, beginners will find the X1's LiDAR feature offers valuable confidence. In terms of flight performance, both drones are nearly identical. Both use DJI's O4 transmission system, providing strong signal reliability and high-quality live video feeds. Maximum transmission range reaches up to 15 kilometers under ideal conditions. Both drones offer up to 36 minutes of flight time using the standard battery. Certain battery configurations can extend flight time to approximately 52 minutes depending on regional availability and battery options. Both drones also feature similar wind resistance ratings and comparable maximum flight speeds. As a result, buyers should not expect meaningful differences in handling, stability, or flight endurance. The real distinctions remain focused on imaging and convenience features rather than flying performance. Thank you for tuning in. After comparing every major category, the DJI Lito X1 emerges as the ultimate winner. The larger 1/1.3-inch sensor delivers noticeably better image quality, HDR, and 10-bit D-Log, and the OS-M provide greater creative flexibility, while the OS front-facing LiDAR adds an extra layer of confidence during challenging flights. The 42GB internal storage is also a practical feature that many pilots will appreciate over time. That said, the Lito X1 remains an excellent value option for beginners. But if you want the most complete package and a drone you are less likely to outgrow, the DJI Lito X1 takes the crown. Which one would you choose and why? Let us know in the comments below.